Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope all are fine. I am Taslim, a staff of Montessori Group of Schools, Telangana. I am your English teacher. I heartily welcome to all the sizzling stars of Montessori for the academic year of 2020-21. So far, we have discussed 2 lessons. Many of you have seen my videos. I have explained up to second lesson. Again, today I am going to introduce our English textbook. For English subject, we have 3 books. First, it is our English textbook. Celebrate 1. I have covered my book. Next, short notes, 4-line books, 2 notebooks. One is for classwork and another one for small copywriting. Okay, hope all of you have purchased a book. If not, my dear children, please go and purchase it. Okay, so our English textbook, those who have textbook, please open our English textbook. See, our English textbook consists of 15 lessons. Our English textbook consists of 15 lessons. So, for this FA1 examinations, we have to learn only lesson 1. So, all of you take your diary. All of you open your diary. Syllabus page. Formative assessment 1. Timetable and syllabus. All of you please open your diary and note down our English syllabus. I will write on the board. So, all of you open the syllabus page of formative assessment 1. In English column, you have to note down our English syllabus. You have to write with pencil. Subject, date of exam, and syllabus. Formative assessment 1. So, first column is Telugu, second Hindi, and third English. So, our syllabus is only 1 lesson. Lesson 1. All of you please, those who have purchased the books, please take your diary, open the syllabus page of formative assessment 1, write the syllabus in English column, lesson 1. Hope all have written the syllabus and you have to get signed by your parent. Okay, in English column. Next, so all of you open textbook, all of you. So, out of these 15 lessons, we are going to learn only first lesson. We are going to learn only first lesson for this FA1 examination. When is our FA1 exams? When is our examinations are going to start? From October 7th. From October 7th. So those who have not purchased the books, please my dear children, go and purchase the books as soon as possible and note down the syllabus and get ready for our coming days. Once again, I will explain. This is our English textbook. Our English textbook consists of 15 lessons. Out of this 15 lessons, we are going to learn only one lesson. Next, two short books, 4-line book. One is for English classwork and one is for English small copywriting. Okay, now after the explanation of the lesson or whatever the topic I am explaining, I will give you homework. You have to note down here in home task. I will mention the homework here. Okay. So, read and practice A to Z letters. You have to read and practice A to Z capital letters and small letters. Okay. So all of you note down your homework also. Read and practice letters A to Z, capital and both small letters, and you have to post to your concerned class teacher. You have to write the name, you have to mention the class and section, and you have to post to your concerned class teacher. Okay. Capital letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are capital letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Next, I will write small letters. Small letters. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r, small s, small t, small u, small v, small w, small x, small y, small z. Okay. Now, all of you open English copywriting, small book, 4-line book, English copywriting book, small copy book, 4-line book. Note down the homework. 7, 9, A, B, C, D. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.